Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We'll be looking at the top 5 best products that you can buy this year. Through extensive research and testing, we put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether the price, performance, or particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the product price, we've included links in the description box down below. So, let's begin.
In this video, we'll show the 5 best ankle braces to prevent rolling on the market that will help you to choose the best one for your ankle. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular, Bodyprox Ankle Support Brace. This brace offers exceptional ankle support and minimizes your risk of injury during activity. If you have acute or chronic injury symptoms, the support brace may reduce these symptoms and make everyday activity easier. It provides support to the joints and ankle tendons and keeps them from straining. It has an open heel design that allows you to retain ankle range of motion during most kinds of activities, such as exercising, hiking, or climbing. The breathable neoprene material can retain heat, helping to keep the joint warm while preventing skin irritation. Number 2. TechWare Pro Ankle Brace. If you are looking for an ankle brace that gives you suitable compression to address pain, then the TechWare Pro Ankle Brace compression sleeve may be your best choice. This ankle brace sleeve design helps relieve pain from sprains, arthritis, muscular fatigue, and prevent rolling. The design is breathable and the material is moisture-wicking. The ankle brace is comfortable and won't slip off, even in high-intensity movement. The tight fit is ideal for reducing ankle inflammation and improving blood circulation, and you can efficiently run, play sports, or join other kinds of physical activity while wearing this ankle brace. Number 3. Crucial Compression Ankle Brace. Crucial Compression Ankle Brace has an ankle stabilizer that helps improve your posture and balance, and the special protector compression design improves blood circulation. The material is lightweight and very breathable, so it won't get too hot or feel too bulky on your feet. You can wear it every day without experiencing any discomfort. The snug fit makes it easier to wear under any kind of shoe or shocks. So if you're experiencing swelling, ankle soreness, or Achilles tendon injury, we recommend Crucial Compression. Number 4. Candy Lee Adjustable Ankle Brace. The adjustable ankle brace provides premium support and is designed for preventing rolling. It has cross straps that you can attach anywhere on the sleeve according to your comfort levels. The ankle brace is made up of elastic nylon, a high-quality material that makes it stretchable and easy to use on any foot size. The adjustable design also ensures that you can use it on either foot with ease. The sleeve features silicone on the inside, which adds friction against the skin and helps prevent the brace from slipping off during your everyday activities. Number 5. Zamst A2DX Strong Ankle Brace. The Zamst A2DX Strong Ankle Brace is a heavy-duty ankle brace fit for those looking for performance-grade protection. Engineered with dual-molded exo-grid technology, the brace enhances stability and keeps the foot from rolling inward or outward. It also has straps that offer anterior, lateral, and medial support, protecting every part of the ankle. The part of the brace that wraps around the sole is designed to keep the foot from shifting forward, ensuring the ankle brace stays secure during game. Boosting adjustable fasteners for a comfort fit, the brace doesn't shift during wear.
Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos.